Natural gas attempted an early rally but quickly reversed, showing signs of exhaustion. The market now appears to be drifting toward the bottom of the gap left in late August. Traders are largely holding back ahead of tomorrow's storage report, which is expected to align with seasonal norms. However, any surprise in the data could spark a sharp move in either direction, setting the tone for next week's trade. Adding to the uncertainty, Friday's rollover to the November contract is likely to inject additional volatility into the market. Weather models indicate that late September into early October will bring mild conditions across the northern two-thirds of the U.S., with highs in the 60s to 80s, while the southern tier remains warmer with highs in the 80s to 90s. The overall effect points to light to very light national demand. Still, colder temperatures are not far behind, poised to lift heating demand as the season shifts. Natural gas inventories are projected to close the 2024 injection season at 3,967 billion cubic feet. If realized, this would mark the second most bearish season-ending level in the past 5 years and the fourth most bearish finish in the 3 decades of EIA records. However, the current surplus of 204 billion cubic feet versus the 5-year average could flip to a deficit of minus 400 billion cubic feet by May 1, 2026, driven by rising LNG exports and stronger heating demand. This outlook helps explain why January futures are holding near the $4 mark. From a technical standpoint, I see a market where short-term pullbacks will likely probe for support, but attention is shifting to Friday's rollover into the November contract. It's reasonable to expect November prices to firm on the open as traders begin factoring in colder weather and stronger seasonal demand. While it's still a bit early to jump aggressively into long positions, we're getting closer. Notably, the gap near $2.80 aligns well with a key trendline, suggesting downside risk is somewhat contained. From here, the market's just going to keep pricing in colder weather for November, and then December right after that. Please don't forget to comment, watch the previous video, and show some love for the channel. See you next time.